Hakajing alang jong kikunhun menteri kabalalong mentakas ngi la Shim yakarai banbo ikibor Pulit Pahara haki nyautili ki Thain Khappud jong kari khasi bat jaintia. Ya kani lai thu menteri rang ba kajalla ukonrat ki sangma hadien kajing alang kikunhun menteri. La rai banbo ikiborder outpost hakashnong Muriab East Jaintia Hills, hakashnong Mukro Batiwe West Jaintia Hills, hakashnong Rani Jirang Ribhoi District, ha Umwali West Khasi Hills, badakashnong Lajabari Batlangpi.
And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Jaintia Hills in Muriab, in West Jaintia Hills in Mukro and TY BOP number 3. This is in West Jaintia Hills. In Ribhoi, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patharkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kirshai, and number 2 in Kirshai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations, and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest.